If you ever see a tiny penguin walking straight toward you, don't get too excited. Keep your distance, and whatever you do, don't touch it, because under the Antarctic Treaty, humans are strictly forbidden from touching penguins. But here's the strange part. Penguins aren't afraid of us at all. In fact, they often walk right up to photographers, like they're saying, "Hey there, have you eaten yet?" So why are they so brave? Well, in Antarctica, the only creatures that walk upright on two legs are penguins. And since humans walk the same way, they might actually think we're just giant penguins who somehow got lost from the group. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content.